Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change name password in Oppo K10 phone 5G guys. You want to change your name password guys, as you have the same password name password guys, you want to change it, so you can change in your phone. In this video guys, I will show you how to change it. So guys, let's see. First of all guys, open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, then guys click on this password and security setting. Tap here lock screen password. Enter your password guys which you have current now. Guys click on the second link guys, alphanumeric, and guys enter old password guys. Old password guys confirm. Then guys new password. Then guys we will set any name. So guys we will take any name. Example for guys we are taking Sonu and Monu, you can say guys. First of all guys check. Then guys click on confirm. Now guys again confirm. So let's see that name password has changed or not in our Oppo phone. So guys, first guys, old password was Mukesh. Guys, wrong password. Then guys, new password. So you can see password has changed in our Oppo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change name password in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.